Packing details. Quick start guides. This is the keyboard. The antenna installation. This is the power supply. Product details. This is the UID of the added app. Insert the SIM card. Please pay attention to the direction of the SIM card. Connect the antenna. Connect the keyboard. Connect to the power. The SIG light is turned on. Press the SW key to turn on the lamp. Make sure the SIG light is flashing before sending a text message command. Send the turn on command, SN0000 on. Make a phone call to turn off the light with the controller. Turn on and off the lamp using the WLTE app. Insert the temperature sensor into the sensor interface. Enter the app and tap the refresh button to get new data. Replace the temperature sensor with a TH02 sensor. Refresh the app to get new data. Replace the sensor with a PT100 sensor. Refresh again to see the data change. Replace the PT100 sensor with a TC sensor. You can still refresh the sensor data even if you replace it with a different sensor type. Place the thermocouple sensor on the fire to heat up. Refresh the app. The temperature of the sensor has exceeded 600 degrees Celsius. Demo of power outage alert. You will immediately receive notifications from the app, SMS, and email when the device loses power. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification. Push notification on app.